Hey everyone, George here. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial about how you can make these super cute gingerbread men candy dishes using Easel, the free software from Inventables, and everything that you need is in there, including the designs, the apps for offsetting, and the layering tools. So let's jump right into it. So I started from a blank workpiece in a new project. This one is set by 12 by 8 and I have it selected to walnut. First thing we're going to do is come up to icons. There's a ton in here, but we're going to choose the gingerbread man and drop that into our canvas. And now we're going to resize it so it's appropriate for our work blank. And it's important to click lock aspect ratio here. So now that it's resized, we can select the outermost layer, and we're going to use a Inventables app called Offsetter so that we can create the walls of our dish. So we go into apps, we search for Offsetter, click version 2, and we want to set the wall to 0.5, and that will determine the thickness of our walls. Import that. And now if we select what we just imported, we can change the cut type to be an outside cut type and make sure that it goes all the way through. And you can already see in the preview it's starting to look like a dish. But now what we're going to do is Control A to select everything, reposition it so it's in our bottom left, and we're going to start to rebuild the layer stack. So we deselect the outermost layer, which in this case is the walls that we just built. Then we right click, bring to front. And we keep doing this until we get all the way through the layers. Deselect the outermost, right click, bring to front. Deselect the outermost, right click, bring to front. And once we've done that on our final layer, we can go in and change the carve depth. And this can be done either with the slider or with direct input. For this blank, I know I want it to be 0.4375. And you could leave it just like this. That looks quite nice. But I know there's some extra layers in here that can give us some more detail. So I'm going to select one and create an outline. And you should, for each design, you should play around and see what looks good. Sometimes you might find something unexpected. But that's pretty much it. After about 3 minutes, we went from graphic to dish design, and I think it looks pretty great. Now all that's left is to send it to the x-carve. So there you have it, a super quick, fun, festive candy dish, and that can be themed for any of the holidays. There's tons of artwork inside of Easel, so definitely check it out. As you saw, it took about 3 minutes to go from the SVG to the design for the dish, and then the carving was maybe an hour, and this is 10 minutes of sanding to get it to a decent point. So that's not terrible. You can also use any SVGs that you have from outside of Easel, but I'm blown away that they give you all of that artwork for free. So I like to use it as often as I can. Thanks for checking it out, and if you like this one, give me a thumbs up, subscribe definitely to see more videos coming, and thanks.